Windiest day I've tried to go out by myself. It's blowing 13, 14, gusting up to high teens. So, should be some pretty fun sailing. Well, it's blowing pretty hard out here. I just got the main up. Kind of wish I had put some reefs in, but I'm doing fine. I'm mostly nervous about going back in, like getting the sail down, because I don't have lazy jacks. I don't have the built-in bag system for it or anything. So, but there's quite a few sailboats out here. It's pretty rad to see how far over they're heeling. I might have to take my jib home because it's getting wet up there. But yeah, we're tipped over pretty far. I might have to go up there and keep that damn thing from getting caught in the wind. So, over here it's not as windy, so hopefully I can get a minute to do that. There's lots and lots of sailboats out here now. A whole bunch of them came out of the different marinas and sailing all over. A lot of them went way over there. It's really shallow over there. I'm just kind of coming back into the marina. I'm gonna try to swing around here, go into the wind, and get this mainsail down. So, see how that goes.